I hope you're having a great day. So today I've got to make a couple bouquets. I noticed that my spring subscription is over, so I don't have any of those bouquets to make anymore. And then I had a couple people that bought my entire year-long subscription, so they get extra bouquets this week that nobody else gets, and they're gonna get the first of the peony bouquets. Yay, I'm so excited to make them too. Like, it'll be really fun, and I plan on just throwing some extras in for them being good customers. Like, they bought an entire subscription for my entire year back when it was still cold and I didn't have flowers yet. So that's awesome. So I'm just gonna go and harvest as many things as I can this morning, and then I'm gonna get back to those. So I'm gonna go ahead and make these really pretty in vases, and then I'll just wrap them and give them to them, because I know about the size of their vases and I just want to make sure this is a really pretty batch.